Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today I want to share with you motivational sayings on life inspired by Mufti Menk. Number 1. Embracing humility. My dear brothers and sisters, humility is the foundation of true greatness. As Mufti Menk reminds us, the higher you rise, the more humble you should become. Don't let success or achievement inflate your ego. Instead, let it fill your heart with gratitude and your hands with generosity. Remember, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the most humble of all creation. Let's strive to follow his example, to lower our gaze, and to lift others up. Number 2. Nurturing positive relationships. The company we keep has the power to shape our destiny. Mufti Menk teaches us the people you surround yourself with will either uplift you or bring you down. Choose friends who inspire you, support you, and encourage you to become the best version of yourself, and be that friend to others. Offer kindness, offer compassion, and offer genuine concern. Remember, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The best of friends are those who remind you of Allah." Number 3. Overcoming procrastination and laziness. In today's world, distractions are endless, and procrastination is a disease. Mufti Menk urges us, don't delay today's task for tomorrow. Don't take control of your time, prioritize your goals, and focus on making progress. Remember, every small step counts, and every effort brings you closer to your dreams. The Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us the deeds most loved by Allah are those done consistently. Number 4. Cultivating self-discipline. Self-discipline is the bridge between intention and action. Mufti Menk reminds us, you can't achieve greatness without self-control. Develop the strength to resist temptation, to overcome addiction, and to persevere through challenges. Remember, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The strong person is not one who wrestles others to the ground, but one who controls himself in anger." Number 5. Finding peace in Allah's presence. In a world filled with chaos and noise, it's easy to lose sight of what truly brings peace. Mufti Menk teaches us, Allah is the source of all peace. Turn to Him in prayer, turn to Him in gratitude, and turn to Him in remembrance. Remember, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find peace." Let's make time for spiritual reflection, for quiet contemplation, and for meaningful connection with our Creator. Thanks for watching.